Good morning, students. Today we will talk about the aims of physical education. Lesson first for class ninth. Today we will talk the aims about health education or physical education. What is the aim of physical education? अर्थात आज हम लेसन एक ट्रेंड्स एंड कैरियर इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। इसका एम क्या है वास्तव में, फिजिकल एजुकेशन का एम क्या है, इसी के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। एम्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। द एम ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन is to make every child physically and mentally fit. As we know that when we hear about the physical education, in that condition we think about only exercise, yoga and sports activity, but it is not good. Physical education means the all-round development, physically, mentally, emotionally and socially. First of all, we have to change our thought, our thinking towards the physical education. But the aim of physical education is only to make every child physically fit and mentally fit. It gives us knowledge about the physical, maybe physical exercise, maybe others physical conditions. We can read everything easily in physical education, and we can apply every exercise according your body, according your schedule. Okay, and it is the main aim of the physical education to promote the physical exercise for everyone. And second is, it makes everyone mentally fit. When we take physical exercises, yoga, and participate also in different kinds of games, in that condition our mind also keep patience, the thinking, thoughts, emotions run according our mentality, our mind. And all exercise, all games and sports participation give us a platform where we can keep our mind calm, we can be patientful. Okay, so my dear student, the aim of physical education to make every child physically or mentally fit. With the help of the physical education, we make physically and mentally fit. And there are many exercises. With the help of those exercises or yogas and games and sports participation, we can improve it, maybe physical or mental exercise. We can improve day by day. But first of all, you have a firm in physical education. You have to change your view, you have to change your angle towards the physical education. Okay, so it is clear. Physical education aim is to make every child physically or mentally fit. I think it is clear. And to develop in him such personal and social qualities, what? When we take exercise, maybe physically or mentally, in that condition, this exercise develop a different kinds of qualities in ourselves. Okay, my dear. Or the aim of physical education is to develop in every person, in every child, personal and social qualities. Not only personal and social qualities, it develops emotional qualities, it develops spiritual qualities, it makes us a social well-being and give the personality, keep our body fit and fine, keep our mind fit and fine. So my dear student, the aim of physical education to develop the personal, social, emotional, spiritual qualities which help everyone to live happily. They give us a platform where we can live happy. In our society, we can live happy and with the others and build him into a good citizen. And the aim of physical education is to live happy in the society with others people and build him into a good citizen. And the aim of physical education is also to be create to be give a good citizen with the help of physical education. We can be a good citizen. Yes. So my dear, I think it is clear. The aim of physical education is to make every child physically and mentally, emotionally, socially fit and spiritually also. And it develops in everyone and give the development may be personal, social, and also improve the qualities, maybe personal qualities, maybe social qualities, maybe spiritual qualities, etc. And also aim is to live happily with the other people in the society and also build him everyone into a good citizen. It is the aim of physical education. I think it is clear for everyone. If you have any question, you can ask me. Or in second, physical education is that education. Through the physical education, we can improve our mind, our mentality also. I think it is clear. Okay, my dear student. और क्या कह सकते हैं कि वास्तव में फिजिकल एजुकेशन का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या है? प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को शारीरिक, मानसिक, आध्यात्मिक रूप से स्वस्थ रखना, स्वस्थ बनाना ही क्या है? फिजिकल एजुकेशन का एम है। और साथ साथ क्या है? साथ साथ प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के अंदर उसकी व्यक्तिगत सामाजिक क्वालिटीज को डेवलप करना इसका दूसरा उद्देश्य है। इसके बाद इसका जो तीसरा उद्देश्य है फिजिकल एजुकेशन का, वो है प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को समाज में किस प्रकार से दूसरों के साथ खुश रहना चाहिए, खुशी के साथ समाज में, अपनी सोसाइटी में रहना चाहिए। ये तीसरा उद्देश्य है इसका। ओके। और साथ साथ फिजिकल एजुकेशन का उद्देश्य है कि इस राष्ट्र को, इस सोसाइटी को अच्छे नागरिक प्रदान करना। जो व्यक्ति वास्तव में फिजिकल एजुकेशन के माध्यम से अपने क्वालिटी को डेवलप कर लेते हैं तो क्या होता है, वो सभी अपने राष्ट्र के निर्माता बनते हैं, अपनी सोसाइटी के निर्माता बनते हैं, उन सभी की हेल्प करते हैं और समाज में ही नहीं अपितु अपने इस देश में अपनी एक पहचान बनाते हैं। और वास्तव में समाज में, इस अपने राष्ट्र में पहचान बनाना ही फिजिकल एजुकेशन का मुख्य उद्देश्य है। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को स्वावलंबी बनने की शिक्षा दी जाती है और यही शिक्षा का उद्देश्य है, जिसको हम फिजिकल एजुकेशन कहते हैं। और क्या बताया गया है, और बताया गया है फिजिकल एजुकेशन एम्स टू डेवलप स्टूडेंट्स फिजिकल competence and knowledge of movement and safety and their ability to use these to perform in a wide range of activities associated with the development of an active and healthy lifestyle. What is and the aim of physical education? Not only student, but this aim is for everyone, every people. What the aim of it is that it gives us knowledge about the every important part of life, every important part of education, every important part of physical exercise, our daily routine, etc. With the help of it, we can improve our ability, we can change our lifestyle, we can change our daily routine. Okay, and it is a wide term and it has a wide range of activities, and it is also its aim what to give the movement in life, movement in society, helpful for nation, increasing the ability. Yes, these are, and it gives a important and also taught us an important lesson about the physical education, which is helpful for society, for nation, everyone. So my dear, it is our responsibility. First of all, we have to know what is physical education and why it is necessary in our life, and what are the definitions of physical education. Yes, and what is the aim of physical education. I think it is clear for everyone. The aims of physical education. These are the aims of physical education. I think it is clear. Our next question is why the aims of physical education is necessary for us and what is benefit of it. Yes, इनके बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं? अगर हम इनके एम्स को फॉलो करते हैं फिजिकल एजुकेशन के, तो क्या होता है, इसके बेनिफिट्स हमारे लिए क्या क्या हैं और ये किस प्रकार से हमारे लिए बेनिफिट्स हैं, और वो कौन कौन से बेनिफिट्स हैं जो हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल हैं। चलिए उनके बारे में बात करते हैं। बेनिफिट्स ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन। नंबर 1, बिल्ड्स हेल्दी बॉन्ड्स। क्या है? व्हेन वी टेक पार्टिसिपेट इन फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, participate in yoga, we do and participate in games and sports, in that condition we give exercise to our organs, maybe internal or external, and give the strongness to our organs and builds healthy bones which are helpful to our whole body, to our skeleton. So first benefit is of physical education is builds healthy bones. ये हमारी हेल्दी बोन्स बनाती है। जब हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं, साथ साथ क्या करते हैं, गेम्स और खेलों में भाग लेते हैं, योगा करते हैं, तो इससे हमारी मांसपेशियां मजबूत होती हैं और हड्डियां मजबूत होती हैं। Second benefit of physical education is improve strength and endurance. It gives us strength and endurance. ये हमें ताकत देती है, शक्ति देती है और सहनशीलता देती है। With the help of strength and endurance, we can do our every work easily, and we can do anything, any work in any pressure. If you have endurance, it means you are a good athlete, good sports person and good human, because you can deal with your work, with your job, if you have endurance and strength. So physical education improves also strength and endurance. It is our second benefit of physical education. I think it is clear for everyone. अर्थात फिजिकल एजुकेशन हमारी हड्डियों को मजबूत बनाती है, हमारे शरीर को स्वस्थ बनाती है, इसके माध्यम से हम क्या करते हैं, भिन्न प्रकार ज्ञान प्राप्त करते हैं। और इससे क्या होता है, अगला बेनिफिट क्या होता है, तो मैंने स्ट्रेंथ और इंड्योरेंस बढ़ती है, शक्ति और सहनशीलता बढ़ती है। नेक्स्ट इज हेल्प्स कंट्रोल वेट, reduce the risk of obesity. I think day-to-day life, in our day-to-day life, you can see the obesity is the first sting of fat. It is very dangerous for everyone. Yes, so physical education is helpful, and with the help of physical exercise, physical education, we can control our weight, we can control our BMI, and we can remove our obesity. ये जो मोटापा है ना, वास्तव में ये आज पूरे विश्व के साथ साथ भारत की भी कमर तोड़ने में लगा हुआ, क्योंकि हम सब जंक फूड को बहुत पसंद करते हैं। तो ये अगला हमारा बेनिफिट्स है कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन के माध्यम से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम अपने वेट को कम कर सकते हैं, कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, और जो ओबेसिटी, जो मोटापे का खतरा बढ़ा रहता है, उसको हम कम कर सकते हैं, रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर। नेक्स्ट बेनिफिट इज improves blood pressure and cholesterol level. With the help of physical exercise, yoga, pranayam, we can control our blood pressure and cholesterol. it is also very big serious problem for everyone in this world. So it is our next benefit. So we should be aware towards the physical education, physical exercise, yoga, and our daily routine work. And next is reduces feelings or depression. When we involve in our daily routine work, exercise, games, and other activities, it means you are successful to reduce your depressions, your feeling also. Yes, feeling of depression is also a very serious problem for everyone. So with the help of physical exercise, yoga and pranayam, you can reduce it. It is our next benefit of physical education. Next is boost self esteem. With the help we can improve our internal or external power of body, of mind. Okay, and we can improve our self esteem with the help of participating in games and sports, exercise, yoga, pranayam, and other sports activities. We can improve it, our self esteem. It is our next benefit of physical education. I think it is clear. And last is promotes psychological well-being. Physical exercise, yoga activities, and other sports activities promotes our psychological well-being. When we participate in physical exercise, yoga, and participate in sports activities, it means you are promoting your psychological balance and helpful for us. We can improve our psychological balance. I think it is clear. These are the benefits of physical education, and these are also aims of physical education. I think it is clear for everyone the aims of physical education and the benefits of physical education. In the end of this video, if you have any problem, you can consult and you can ask me. You can contact me and your class teacher as well as. But my dear students, you have to know about it. In our day-to-day life, it is must to know about the physical education. So my dear student, now it is my humble request to you that you can ask any question. Okay? Have a nice day.